NIO with 3,500 insurance registrations. That's for the first full week in June from June 3rd through the 9th. But I wanted to do a side-by-side comparison, sort of the April versus June first full week and the May versus June first full week. So here is April. The first full week in April, which was April 1st through the 7th, NIO had 2,100. Now, normally at the beginning of a month, we see these lower numbers and then they trend up through the course of a month. Then in May, which was the new monthly delivery record for NIO, they had 4,400 the first full week in May, which was the 6th through the 12th. They actually had 2 weeks back to back with those numbers the first 2 full weeks in May. And that's what kind of tipped me off to why we might see a monthly delivery record in May. So I'm really curious. And this is coming off of, to follow up on a week where NIO had 1,000 more than their previous record on the weekly side of things. So I don't have a strong opinion either way with this 3,500 number. Did I want to see a bigger one? Sure. I was hoping we would see a 4,400 type of number, but that doesn't mean we're still not going to see things uptick and trend up through the course of the month. I expect that. And again, as we looked back at the April first full week numbers, this number is very strong relative or compared to that. I'm curious what others are thinking. It's still really early. And next week, I think we'll get a better sense of this with the first 2 full weeks of data. Also, before I close this out, the market has not been open a full hour in the U.S. And kind of interesting to note, we've got over 20 million shares traded in volume on niostock. So I'll be keeping an eye on that. Also, I might have caught something that happened in the comments section on my video from yesterday. So I may have to come back and talk about that. But as it stands, I want to get this data and information and video up and out. So have a great day. Come back and see me again. Thanks. I'll see you all again very soon.